Russia is the largest country in the world by land area, spanning 11 time zones. The official name of the country is the Russian Federation. Moscow, the capital of Russia, is the largest city in Europe. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway line in the world, connecting Moscow to Vladivostok. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, is the deepest lake in the world. Russia is home to the world's largest forest, the Siberian taiga. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with contributions to literature, music, ballet, and visual arts. Russian is the most widely spoken Slavic language, and the 8th most spoken language in the world. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. The Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg is one of the largest and oldest museums in the world. Russia has a diverse climate, ranging from Arctic in the north to subtropical in the south. The term Tsar or Tsar is derived from the Russian word for emperor. The Kremlin in Moscow is a historic fortified complex that includes palaces, cathedrals, and government buildings. Russia has a significant presence in space exploration and was the first country to launch a satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957. The Russian currency is the ruble. The Russian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, white at the top, blue in the middle, and red at the bottom. Russia is home to a wide variety of ethnic groups and has more than 100 different languages spoken. The Russian Revolution in 1917 led to the establishment of the Soviet Union, which existed until its dissolution in 1991. The Red Square in Moscow is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The traditional Russian dance, the Kazatsky, involves squatting and kicking. Russian nesting dolls, or matryoshka dolls, are a popular souvenir and a symbol of Russian folk art. The Ural Mountains, separating Europe and Asia, are considered the boundary between the 2 continents. The Volga River is the longest river in Europe and is deeply ingrained in Russian culture and history. Russia has a rich tradition of tea drinking, and samovars, tea urns, are often used in traditional ceremonies. The Bolshoi Ballet in Moscow is renowned as one of the world's leading ballet companies. The Russian poet Alexander Pushkin is considered the father of modern Russian literature. The Russian composer Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky created famous works such as Swan Lake and The Nutcracker. Russian cuisine includes dishes like borscht, blini, and pelmeni. The Kalashnikov AK-47, one of the most widely used assault rifles in the world, was invented by Russian Lieutenant General Mikhail Kalashnikov. The Russian Orthodox Church is one of the oldest Eastern Orthodox churches in the world. The city of St. Petersburg was known as Leningrad during the Soviet era. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, was the first human to orbit the Earth in 1961. The Russian Far East is home to unique wildlife, including Siberian tigers and Amur leopards. The Samoyed, a breed of dog, originated from Siberia. Russia has a vast system of natural reserves and national parks. The traditional Russian bathhouse is called a banya. The Winter Palace in St. Petersburg was the official residence of Russian emperors. The famous Russian writer Fyodor Dostoevsky wrote classics like Crime and Punishment and The Brothers Karamazov. The Eastern Orthodox Easter celebration is an important religious holiday in Russia. Lake Ladoga is the largest freshwater lake in Europe. The Battle of Stalingrad during World War II was one of the bloodiest battles in history. Russia is a founding member of the United Nations. The Russian national anthem has gone through several changes, especially during the Soviet era. The White Nights in St. Petersburg occur during the summer when the city experiences extended twilight. Russia has a strong tradition of ice hockey, and the country has produced many NHL players. The famous Russian writer Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace and Anna Karenina. The Kamchatka Peninsula is known for its stunning volcanic landscapes. The Russian Blue is a distinctive breed of cat, known for its blue-gray fur. The legendary dancer Rudolf Nureyev defected from the Soviet Union in 1961. Russia is a major producer and exporter of natural gas and oil.